Hi everyone, and welcome to the third episode of Master TikTok Ads with Seller's Alley. My name is David, and I'll guide you on a journey of discovering TikTok video ad formats. I'm sure many of you want to know more about it, so keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media accounts for more cool content. Let's begin with the first type of TikTok video ad formats, called standard in-feed ads. Usually this format appears in feed as TikTok users scroll down their feed. These ads autoplay and achieve the best conversion rate. You have to use a high quality video with good music that matches well with the TikTok theme. They're up to 60 seconds long, but the optimal length is between 15 and 30 seconds. The second ad type format is top view ads. They're eye-catching because they appear on top when you open the TikTok app for the first time. They're great for branding purposes and raising brand awareness. These ads can be up to 60 seconds long and cost more than the standard ones. Top view ads bring in vast amounts of impressions and make significant impact on TikTok users. Brand takeover ads is another TikTok video ad format. These high-impact ads also appear when users open the TikTok app for the first time. They are entirely clickable and interactive, which makes them one of the most exciting ad types. Brand takeover ads are usually really short, between 3 and 5 seconds, and can direct traffic to the internal and external landing pages. Branded hashtag challenges, the fourth video ad format, are excellent as they look almost like they're organic. They appear as a banner on the Discover page and direct traffic directly to the challenge in which TikTok users can take part. This way you're promoting your brand while people enjoy and have fun doing the challenge. Lastly, we have the branded effects. You can get a branded TikTok effect created by the TikTok team, which costs, but is excellent for raising brand awareness and getting people to interact with your brand. You can also make the effect on your own and use organic TikTok videos to promote it and create challenges for TikTok users. I hope you enjoyed watching this video about 5 different TikTok video ad formats and gain more knowledge about the power of TikTok ads and how can they help your brand. If you have questions about this topic, be sure to write us in the comment section below, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel and see you soon.